Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to show you the top 5 security mistakes that Android developers are still making in 2025 and more importantly how to fix them. So the first mistake is hard coding API keys or secrets inside your application. So this looks innocent, right? But if someone decompiles your APK, this key is right there in a plain text. So instead of this, what we can do is like we can fetch this API key from any secure server, right? So in this way we can achieve it. The second mistake is insecure data storage. So using plain text storage and shared preferences, that is also not a good way. Instead of that, what we can do is like we can use shared preferences plus master key, right? So use encrypted share preferences plus master key. This encrypts both your keys and values using AES 256. You can see this deprecated warnings here, but this is still the recommended way for small secrets like tokens in 2025. Okay. If we talk about the third, that is weak network security. So trusting all certificates, this makes you vulnerable to main and middle attacks. So here, this is not the best practice, right? So instead of this, what we should use the certificate pinning, right? So this way, even if someone tries to fake your server certificate, your app will reject it. So the fourth one is outdated libraries. So still the developers are using the outdated libraries. So we should always use the latest libraries, right? And the fifth is poor input validation, right? So here you can see like we have used SQL query and also we have merged this user ID with this query. So this is not a good way. Instead of that, we should always use parameterized queries, right? So here you can see this. So in this way, what this parameterized query, it can prevent the injection because the input is safely scapped, right? So in this way, we can secure our applications. Okay. So to if we summarize all this is like hard coding secrets, storing sensitive data insecurely, weak network security, outdated libraries, and poor input validations. If you avoid this, your app will already be much harder to hack, right? So I hope this was helpful and useful. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe for more Android security content, and let me know in the comment which mistake you have seen often, right? Thanks for watching. See and stay secure. Thank you.